Family dispute behind St. Catherine double murder. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police are theorizing that an ongoing family dispute is behind Saturday night's double murder at a bar in Gregory Park, St. Catherine, in a gun attack that also left a third person hospitalized. The deceased men have been identified as 46-year-old Cedric Crooks, otherwise called Gringo, who is said to be a farmer, and 47-year-old Michael Manley, otherwise called Bada Bada, who is said to be a groundsman. They are both from Gregory Park addresses. The injured individual is said to be an elderly man. Reports from the police are that the three men were patrons at a bar located on Main Street when they were pounced upon by a gunman who opened fire, hitting them. The gunman then escaped in the area. The police were alerted and the men taken to hospital where Crooks and Manley were pronounced dead and the third man admitted in serious but stable condition.
That both victims were patrons at the Castro Pub bar, and that's located at 29th Street in the Gregory Park area. They were found stand by and down gunman, opening fire, hitting Cedric Crooks to his face and head, Michael Manley to his neck and head, and complainant Errol Francis to the right side of the picture. The suspect escaped in the area, but we understand the gentlemen were admitted to the Spanish Town Hospital where both victims were later pronounced dead. From the historical data we have on one of the victims, that is Cook, we are realizing that this is an ongoing family feud, and already we have some strong leads as to who the possible perpetrator might be.
Me there right there. When me walk go down on my workplace, I use my Wi-Fi when me hear a big gunshot. A man say, Indian, you know, here I go. I say, yeah man, me here, but I wait there. When I come back yesterday, so I come see 3 men get shot up. 2 men dead and 1 gone to hospital. 1 name Gungo, 1 name Bada. Gungo them just now answer brother. One of them just come over my workplace, come collecting fridge. You don't think what out yet. You don't think what out yet. So I said that, I don't know what I'm going. Place loose, too loose, place too lego, place need to be arranged up.
Crooks, who was injured in a shooting incident in 2017, was killed the day after he celebrated his birthday. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story plus more to come on the program. Thanks for watching.